let's talk about the 5 mindset tips that you probably need daily to become the CEO that you desire, whether that's a 6-figure CEO or you want to make more money. These things are probably blocking you. And so I'm going to teach you exactly the things that I use every single day. And I deal with these things every single day and how you can move through them with the most success. So if you want to make more money and you're literally self-sabotaging yourself because of the way that you think, because of the things that come up, the way you allow your thoughts to lead you in a negative way, I just want you to know that I've been there. And when it comes to waiting on proof, when it comes to hiding who I was, when it comes to second guessing every move, I used to be the most indecisive person ever, right? And so today, these 5 daily mindset shifts are really going to help you show up as a true leader in the online space. And I will say this multiple times in this video, you can't have followers and you can't make an impact if you're not willing to be a leader. So leaders go first. Are you willing to work on these? Number 1, tap back into day 1 energy. Do you remember that day you started your business? Do you remember how excited you were? Do you remember you wanted to shout it from the rooftops until you realized maybe you were afraid of video or something else came up and it was like, oh, maybe I better be quiet about this. I better make myself smaller. I want to take up too much space or whatever it is that came up to you, right? And it caused you not to come up with that day 1 energy anymore. Day 1 energy, that fire you felt, the reason that you started this business, that, my friend, is one thing you get to tap into over and over and over. Remember the excitement. Remember the drive. Remember the commitment when you first started. A lot of times people say, go back to your why or reconnect with why you started in the first place. But that day 1 energy is huge. So how do we reignite this feeling? Start taking action. Number 1, don't wait for my big break. Go take action. Go do the thing. And I love asking my clients this. How would you feel if this gift that you've been given, you could never help another person with it? I mean, that can be kind of scary, right? That can make you really sad. And so if you aren't showing up in that day 1 energy with that excitement, that's exactly what's going to happen. You're not going to help anybody else because you're not allowing your excitement, your dedication, your conviction to come through. Okay. Number 2, stop hiding who you really are. Stop. People buy authenticity. They don't buy perfection. There are enough copies of everything that everyone's doing out there. There's enough copies. Be real. Be genuine. Be you. I want you to take this challenge right now and go share one real thing with your audience this week that you normally hide. I don't care if it's in video. I don't care if you type it. I don't really care. But go share it. Share it in your story. It disappears in 24 hours. Stop making excuses and go be real, raw, and honest with them and watch how many people feel so more connected to you because you decided to go first. The third thing is a lot of times as a business owner, we want to move from lack and fear and scarcity, right? And I want to challenge you to move from abundance. So ask yourself, am I making this decision based on fear or based on the possibilities of growth? That's a huge indicator, right? When we move with fear actions, right? Fear-based actions, or sometimes it's lack thereof, right? We are going to create more lack. When we take actions based on abundance, we're going to create more abundance. We're going to create more growth. CEOs expand from abundance, not from scarcity. So I love asking myself that question. Am I lowering this price because of scarcity or lack or because of abundance? And I see the possibilities. If I'm doing it because I just hope someone will buy, that is coming from lack. If I do it because I want it to be accessible to more people and I know that there are bigger things waiting for me on the other side, that's from abundance. Okay. The fourth thing that I love asking myself, is this a fact or is this a feeling? Because feelings lie. Your facts actually guide you. So asking yourself, is this true? And maybe it is true. But how can we reframe that? I hear a lot of times that I don't think I can deliver. Have you ever not delivered something before that a client paid for? Never. What makes you think you're going to, because of fear, because it's too big, it's a lot of money? No, we can use this fact versus feeling and the lack and abundance a lot together, right? So is this a fact or is it a feeling? Ask yourself that question when things come up, when mindset things come up. And the fifth thing is stop waiting for proof. Stop waiting on people to validate you. This is a validation trap. Validate yourself. I didn't have proof that I could make multi-six figures before I made multi-six figures. There was no proof that I could do it. I moved anyhow. And when we have that belief, we follow it up with action, we create the proof. You go first. You lead, they follow. It's not hoping, it's not waiting. It's really making that first move. And then your people, right, that you're trying to attract will move accordingly. After supporting over 1,000 women to get visible, like I see these mindset shifts, how they make the difference. A lot of times people aren't getting visible. Yes, there is a fear behind it, but a lot of times it is just because of a mindset shift that gets to be made. A lot of times selling is because people aren't talking about their offers and inviting to their offers because there's that mindset shift that needs to be made. Sometimes people aren't willing to be that pioneer or that maverick, right, about doing something different in the online space because of these mindset shifts. Stop worrying about what everybody else is doing. Make the move. Go for it. Is it a fact or a feeling? Are you moving out of lack or abundance? You get to decide. Are you going first, right? And if you want to build visibility strategies that back this mindset up, like one of the programs I have coming up soon is called the Comeback. Grab access to that. It's free masterclass. It will help you in so many ways and so many levels because we all fail and we all have to come back from something. It's never too late. Okay. So let's recap these 5 shifts again. Tap back into day 1 energy. Number 2, stop hiding who you really are. Number 3, are you making moves from lack or abundance? Number 4, is this a fact or a feeling? And number 5, stop waiting on results, on followers, on if then I will. No, go validate yourself. Make the move. Go first. Be the leader. All right. Mindset shifts are powerful. But when we pair these with visibility strategies, that's where the big money becomes inevitable. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.